Matthew, and I'm recording this little video clip here in Woodland, California today, where I'm attending the Hollar and Feltrin Field Days. This is a sister event and part of the organization's effort to promote and develop the brand of both Hollar and Feltrin. Today we have lots of customers from around the world here to go through the trials and look at the product, look at what's coming in the pipeline, and to interact with our teams also from around the world. We've got nearly the entire Feltrin and Hollar teams together here in service and support of our farmers and customers, and excited to be here.
I'm Javier Martinez. I am the head of SIMBEP. We want to be able to present products to you in different parts of the world. So we focus on tropical genetics, but we also show products in the Northern Hemisphere, the Southern Hemisphere, and we want to show you how our products perform in different places of the world and how our broad portfolio can help you fill the gaps that you may have or open new opportunities for you in your product line.
Hello, I'm Luis de Souza. I'm the research lead at the SIMBEP, and we are here at our Woodland Field Days. Here we have over 180 varieties, especially on the cucurbit segment. And we are working with the melons, watermelons, summer squashes, cucumbers mostly. And from this year, we are bringing some new products, new releases to our portfolio, especially on the decorative pumpkins. We are bringing a pink pumpkin that is very attractive and it's causing a lot of attention, so it's quite interesting to understand. We are also bringing new solutions to the Middle East. White cylindrical summer squashes. Those are very resistant and they are increasing our portfolio in our leadership in the region. And we are also bringing a new selection of Japanese cucumbers that are quite interesting and very specialty markets, especially for North America and Asian markets. We are also introducing a new variety, a yellow skin peach flesh melon that is really attractive, has a nice color, a great aroma, and it's causing a lot of attention during this week because of its quality. So it's one of our new releases that is really attractive. But besides that, we are also bringing a great differentiation of products, a range that could go globally to many growers around the globe. And you'll be able to see longer shelf life or better flavor or higher yield. Many traits that are necessary for agriculture around the globe, we are bringing in our portfolio here as a solution as well.
I would encourage you also to think about and anticipate the next recording I'll make, which will be coming sometime later in the fall with the next Hollar and Feltrin events, soon to be disclosed and described, and I hope we can see you there.